What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, and we are here for another video. Today we're going to be doing another hotel room tour. Today we're going to be doing the Holiday Inn at Norwich City Centre, where we're going to go and have a look at the Holiday Inn and also what it means for Norwich City Football Club as well. Let's go. We're in room 507. There we go. As we go in, you just need to pop your card key in. That will give you the lights. So we'll start with the bathroom first. You just come in, and here you've got a sink. There's your bathroom, and bing! You also got a toilet just here, and a nice bathtub and shower as well, with bath towels and everything provided, which is fantastic. As you make your way out, you have your mirror just here. I will show you around the room in just 1 second, but the main thing is, you come here for Norwich City, you want to watch the game. We paid £165 for today's game, championship game, with them taking on Preston North End. You've got the away end over here. We're not allowed to have the window open. We did have somebody come over and said you're not allowed to have the window open, but there you go. A nice view here from our room. We've had to pay extra for a pitch view room. I said normally I think it's £100 to £110, £165, so an extra £55 we've paid, so you can you're able to watch the game here without needing a match ticket. A nice view as well. The only thing that's restricted is where the scoreboard is there, just by where the corner flag is. You can pay for some other room upgrades, but the scoreboard does cover a lot of the pitch view. Working our way around the rest of the hotel, you got a nice wardrobe here, plenty of room, iron facilities to hang your stuff up in. Holiday Inn's always a good solid choice. You got your tea and coffee making facilities just here. You can put some more of your stuff here, your luggage and everything. A nice desk here. As you can see, JSGC just editing up a video. 2 lovely queen size beds here as well, chair as well, and as I said, everything just gets dominated by being able to watch this game from the hotel. Absolutely fantastic. Holiday Inn, I think it's a solid choice. I love Holiday Inn. I think they're fantastic hotels to go and check out. So if you ever are here, you want to experience Norwich City playing where you don't have to get a match ticket and you can watch it from your hotel room, what's more unique than that? They do go and do so. I would recommend getting that upgrade to get the pitch view room solid. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Much appreciated. Do leave a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you're new around here, and do go and check out our social media links and everything in the description. And also don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you've got any questions or anything, just let me know and I'll try my best to answer that for you guys. As I said, it is just here to watch the football game. We are going to go out into Norwich. We're not here to experience anything else or do any of the breakfast or anything. Literally just a bed for us to sleep in and watch the football game. So yeah, thank you already for watching. Much appreciated. I've been JSGC Vlogs. Peace. Ciao for now.